My sweet. No one else knows. It's just between us. Wait for my return. My darling fiancé.
Excuse me, sir. Are you the one who witnessed Cetus the Tidebreaker?
Hmm? Yes, that's me. Are you here to witness our union? Ah, marvelous. Come. According to tradition, a wedding witness must be present.
A wedding witness? Well, the Codex does allow acolytes to serve as witnesses during weddings.
Oh.
Is he under some kind of enchantment? I've read of symptoms like this in the Order's archives before. Oh, Imperator's blessings, gaze upon this. Whoa, wait! Huh? I did what was written in the archives.
Ouch! You... I'm... Golden white. Jellyfish. Pitch black. It's a large fish. Huh? You're human. I'm a fish. No. Wait. My fish. Ow! My head hurts. Who are you? Where the hell's my boat? And how did I get here? What? The fish. My, oh my. From Serene Bay. The fish. Oh.
He's at it again. Here I go. Oh, it's you. Is your leg okay now? I treated their broken leg from a gondola accident back at the market. Did Mr. Coffin ask you to come here? I think they're trying to say that Mr. Starbuck's gondola might know something. They're stranded on a reef nearby. And Mr. Starbuck has been like this. You want us to use these to free the gondola? I fear Mr. Starbuck might not withstand any more of the Order's disenchantment tricks anyway. In that brief moment when Mr. Starbuck seemed to recover, he mentioned finding that boat and uncovering the cause behind his enchantment might be a good starting point.
Yes! We must have fireworks at our wedding. Oh, sweetened fireworks.
Wind guide me.
Over there! Why is there a sweet scent in the air? The gondola is drifting back! came across a siren? A creature with a human body and a fishtail? Could there be another being like Lorelei? I suspect that the fish we saw earlier is connected to this siren. There's got to be a reason it stayed fresh after all these weeks. This means we need to think of a way to get that fish out of Mr. Starbuck's hands. Would that work? Well, only one way to find out.
Oh. Oh, my dear Whitneys, have you seen my fiancé around? What are you up to? Help!
Phoebe, grab.
It's so slippery! Disenchant!
Thieves! You... Who are you? What am I doing with this fish?
Oh, Mr. Starbuck? Captain Ahab asked us to come find you.
Old Ahab. Wait. What's going on here? All I remember is being out at sea, fishing, not long ago. But all I could hear was a song drawing me in. It felt like my whole body was being beckoned to follow that tune. The next thing I knew, I was drifting right out of Serene Bay, where the tidebreaker is said to slumber. The singing was still there, like it was rising from the depths. I swear I caught a glimpse of the Cetus's shadow. Then another shadow of a massive fish. Oh. The curves of that shadow, a true beauty. I tossed everything I had into the sea, anything that could serve as bait, but still it wouldn't bite. Then I felt a tug on the line as the singing grew louder. Everything went blank after that. Yes, that's the one. Wait, where is it? Key. The key. Blast, where'd that key go? The key. I used it as bait. I knew it! Molto bene! Got gobbled up by the fish. Old Ahab had me keep it. You'll be needing it too, yes? I can't recall much after that. But no doubt the tidebreaker did make an appearance in Serene Bay. If you're looking for it, go take a look around the bay. Oh, and thanks for the help.
Are you...
47 years old this year. After all these years at sea, I've caught more fish than you could imagine. But the right fish and the right person have yet to cross my path. Oh. But this beautiful lady here...
Farewell, Mr. Starbuck. I wish you the best. May the sea bring you blessings.
Oh.
Let's light up the lighthouses on this island as Captain Ahab instructed. After that, we should visit that serene bay Mr. Starbuck talked about.
Wind guide me.
What's next?
Phoebe?
Loading.
Huh. Just one with the sound.
Together we get out of the way. Crystals, give me strength. Cut. Rover, are you hurt? The Tidebreaker attacked us. Thank Imperator none of us were hurt. Quick! Let's check if anything was lost.
Nothing's lost. Except now we've got this.
What is...
How about we take it to Plank? Maybe it...
Once it's safe, Plank can swim over to Serene Bay. Since the lighthouse on Starbuck's Island is up and running, we can set sail again. There'll be monsters swimming in those waters. Ever since Cetus went missing. Word is, the key to Serene Bay's lighthouse got lost long ago. Oh, I reckon you'll be greeted by a few strange fish along the way. I'll keep poking round and see what else I can dig up. I'll have Plank send word once I've got...
Look! It's the Tidebreaker! They're heading towards that island to the west. Their wounds seem to be healing, but I still feel the intense fury in their cries.
I'm getting old, Starbuck. Old. Let it take out the albatross. This time I'll... Ah! You're here. That island Tidebreaker ran off to is also known as Reyes Ruins. They say it's filled with old mysteries. The storm raging over it seems to keep folks from setting foot there. Its own protection, if you will. But not to worry. I've already found a way to get past it. If Starbuck isn't pulling my leg, that storm and the siren are in cahoots. Which means... Come on, let's move out. You and Miss White Hat will team up, and I'll be with Starbuck. There's a wee island just east of the ruins. We'll meet there.
Free as a bird. May the gentle breeze bring a bountiful catch. The fish are over there. What's next?
You see, Captain, what did I tell you, huh?
It says here, Riccioli, shower Neptunia with your light. The usurper slumbers in the depths of Reyes. Offer your love to Reyes' descendants and the eternal life of the sea.
What's all this nonsense?
Riccioli corresponds to Neptunia in Renacetan astrology. In other words, the island is surrounded by the deepest waters in all of Renacita.
Ho ho! You know your astrology well, Miss White Hat.
I'm just stating what everyone in Renacida knows. It's also mentioned in the legends of the Sentinel Imperator. I'm not sure.
Offer your love? So it's asking us to just fall in love with something? That's just plain odd. Blah. O great noble descendants of Reyes, hear my words. I offer ye me love. I shall offer ye my love. The ceaseless waves shall be my pledge of loyalty to you for all eternity. Ah, I'm getting too old for this. What dunderheaded idea is this anyway? Go on, Missy. You give it a go. Aye, you! Just a few words for the love of the sea. Would you need a pen and paper, do you?
No. You're doing it all wrong. What do you take love for? Is this a joke to you? Step aside. My love, you are the light of my life. No storm can keep us apart, for in your presence the might of my love can withstand any tempest, for it is even stronger. My soul yearns to break free, for it has found its direction. Yet, I am tormented by my inability to reach you.
It's working! Ha! It's working!
Oh, my dearest love!
That's enough of that. Let's move out. We've got no time to dawdle.
Have you noticed that something doesn't feel right about Captain Ahab? I can't say what it is for certain, but I just have a feeling that he's hiding something from us. Why don't we split up the search? If there's a connection between this island and Tidebreaker, I'm sure we'll find something, especially with all the scattered ruins. I can decipher these ancient Renacetan texts. We'll have the truth soon enough. We managed to get all 4 lighthouses lit again. Do you hear the Tidebreaker's cries? They don't sound as sad, hurt, and angry as they did before. I've managed to decode inscriptions from a few stone tablets I found inside the ruins. Cetus the Tidebreaker is deeply connected to the Sentinel Imperator. In legends, Cetus the Tidebreaker guides drowned ships and sailors to the realm beyond. Yet they were fickle. When they sang in sorrow and fury, tempests raged, skies darkened, until Imperator enlightened them with lantern light, making them a ruler of marine life and guardian of the sea. Some of these ancient stone tablets tell of tales from long before the Order ever existed. Besides Cetus the Tidebreaker, I've also found information about the siren that might have enchanted Mr. Starbuck. It's a remnant creature that dwells in the depths of Riccioli. It may even be the same kind as Lorelei who we met in the Nimbus Sanctum. With the Tidebreaker absent, the restless reverberations of the departed likely accumulated in her body. Those lost souls were coaxing her to enchant the fishermen. She and the Tidebreaker share a symbiotic relationship. However, she is still weak, not quite as fully formed as Lorelei. I believe she was the one mending Tidebreaker's wounds. Time to put our experience in the Nimbus Sanctum to good use. I'm certain we can make it work. It's just... Do you happen to speak the whale's language? I'd like to sit down and have a nice chat with Tidebreaker once this is all over. But for now, let's make our way to find Captain Ahab.
You have returned. I overheard that the Pequod was ready to sail, so I headed over to take a look. But by the time I arrived, the beach was empty and I only found Plank over there.
Well, if it isn't my first mate. This is quite the ship you've got here. Looks like it's seen better days, though. It seems you've grown a strong connection with it. A few days ago, Ahab summoned me to take helm of this fine vessel. To be honest, I haven't the slightest clue. By the way, where are you now? Is that your gondola that's sailing away into the waves? Hello? Yoo-hoo!
I'm coming to see you, my love!
What? It's Starbuck! The scoundrel's hightailing with the boat!
You there! Stop!
The might of my love can withstand any tempest, for it is ever stronger.
That's... He's heading straight into the storm! After him! The man's lost it!
This ship doesn't seem to require a full crew to operate. A captain will suffice. All set and ready for sail? Pequod. Let us venture into the abyss! Same actor, different role. Climax of the show!
Sentinel, protect me. Oh, careful now. Repent, Bluebird. Be my salvation. In the name of
Epic shot.
Imperator.
In the limelight! A little mishap.
Run!
And I only am escaped alone.
Rover.
We're safe now.
Thank you, Cetus the Tidebreaker.
It appears that Pequod wasn't able to escape its fate after all. Alas, my duty as acting captain has been fulfilled. Farewell, my friends.
The fish are over there. what's next. The Tidebreaker.
Oh, hey, big guy! Nice to see you again! I still remember when you flipped over our boat last time, you know? But, considering you just saved us, I'll call it even. Like the old Jinjo saying. Something like, big folks let little things slide. The big guy said that siren helped cure for its wounds, but then she went cuckoo after sucking in too many reverberations. That's why it didn't want to fight her earlier. After teaching her a lesson, maybe she'll know better.
Tidebreaker, I have something to ask you. Have you fully recovered?
Of course it is! Look at it, live and kicking. It's never been better.
You were tricked and deceived during the Carnival. I know that an acolyte like me is in no position to represent the Order, but I still wish to offer you an apology, Cetus the Tidebreaker, even if it's only my own.
It says don't beat yourself up over it. You've been following its trail all this time, helping fishermen and receiving gifts of the sea yourself. It's trying to protect that stuff too. Oh, it also wants me to tell you, great job on catching that big fish earlier.
Just be yourself, whether it's giving or receiving, belief or hope.
It says.
I see. Thank you for telling me that.
Sure we are! Nothing stands in our way when we tag team. Huh? What's up, big fella? Cat got your tongue?
Are they laughing?
Whoa! Huh? Hey! Hey! Where do you think you're going? I'm so catching that whale someday. Just you wait and see!
The sea feels ever so calm, and the whirlpools have finally settled. Everything's returned to how it once was. To be honest, Captain Ahab and his crew met their fate at sea decades ago. Their love of the sea and their promise to Cetus the Tidebreaker is what kept their spirits lingering here. And now, the peaceful waters of Richoli mark their final resting place. This is their final harbor. But the Rachel still sails on, and it seems to have taken a liking to you. I believe that Captain Ahab also hoped you'd carry on his legacy. Me? I'm just a simple sailor and a fisherman. I was born here, and I'll probably get married and have children here too. Eventually, I'll find my peace in these very waters. So, set sail, Captain. Your journey leads to the very edge of the world.